Hello, it's George and welcome to George Basics. And today I want to show you guys how to buy Diamond Hold token on Pancakeswap. So first of all, go to CoinMarketCap and here you can see the analytics of this coin. If you decide to buy it, you can close this browser and go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store. After you sign up on Trustwallet, open this app and then you should buy Smart Chain BNB. Because to buy Diamond Hold token, you need Smart Chain BNB. So first of all, go to Smart Chain BNB, click buy, select the amount and buy it. After you buy Smart Chain BNB, then close Trustwallet and go to CoinMarketCap again. If you don't know how to open this page, you can go to search bar and type Diamond Hold. This is our token. I will open it and scroll down. Here you can see contracts. Let's copy this contract and let's go to Trustwallet again. So guys, now we need to go the apps, scroll down, and in the popular you can see Pancakeswap. Open Pancakeswap, click connect and choose Trustwallet. Now after we are connected, now we should click select a currency. Click select the currency and paste the contract we copied in the browser to find this coin, and here is our Diamond Hold coin. Click it and open it. Now we should choose the amount we want to buy, and after that swap our Smart Chain BNB to Diamond Hold token. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, you can click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.